You now understand that generative AI works by predicting one word at a time, using statistical methods to build responses. But here's what seems impossible. How does this simple process of picking word after word somehow create complex arguments, detailed explanations, and what feels like genuine reasoning? The incredible leap that's happening is remarkable. The AI starts with your question, predicts the first word of its response, then uses that to predict the second word, then the third, building an entire answer one piece at a time. Yet somehow, this creates responses that feel thoughtful, logical, even sophisticated. But what could go wrong with this approach? What happens if one predicted word takes the response off track? Does a single wrong guess early on derail everything that follows? How does something so fragile produce such seemingly solid reasoning? There's something potentially unsettling you may have noticed. Sometimes a language model responds with complete confidence about facts that are simply wrong. It delivers incorrect information with exactly the same certainty it uses for correct answers. The confident tone never changes, regardless of whether the content is accurate or completely made up. If complex reasoning can emerge from simple word prediction, what does that tell us about thinking itself? And if this same process generates confident-sounding nonsense just as easily as genuine insights, how do we navigate this new reality? Understanding this limitation isn't just academic. It's crucial for anyone who wants to use these powerful but imperfect tools effectively. Join Ash Stewart as he reveals how word-by-word prediction creates the effect of complex reasoning, and why confidence and correctness may or may not be related in machine intelligence.